Come on.
Oh shit.
That scared the shit out of
Oh
me.
shit, he missed. What a dope.
I flinched. I flinched too. It scared the crap out of me. What the hell is the mouse doing with his tail?
Get scared.
Acting like a rattlesnake?
He's having a heart attack.
That scared the shit out of me. He doesn't feel it, I don't think.
Get it, Tegu.
Little Tegu. Oh, there he goes. Come on.
Now put it out of its misery, huh?
I don't have that much more video time. What do I do?
You have to delete it again.
Come on, come on.
You end up the big pool.
Oh, that was nice. Oh, he's biting the snake. Bad. Thought he was biting him.
Nah, I think he put his head in his mouth.
Yeah, he did. Yep, that's it. Boa versus mouse. Boa wins again.